Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on this Qubo inflator, and here you can see the power button. So first we need to press and hold this power button. Press and hold. See, now we can release. So this way we can turn on. After that, if you want to select preset pressure, you can use this button over here. Just press this button. Press again. So this is the preset pressure for car, motorcycle, bicycles. See, so I have changed these values, so this way we can preset and we can use. So let me select football. Then next I will show you how we can turn on. So we can also adjust here. We can use this minus and plus buttons to change the pressure. See, PSI value we can change. So if you want to turn on, you can just press this power button. Just to press this power button. See, this way we can turn on. And here we can connect this hose. So this is an air hose, so that we can connect here. So just insert this hose here. See, just insert the hose here, then rotate, then try to pull. See, this is not coming out. Now this is locked. Then this end we can connect to car tire. Then as I mentioned, you can select the pressure, car pressure preset value here. Just press this button and select car. Then again press this power button to start. And here you can see the expected PSI value or required PSI value, and on top you can see the current value. So when you start, this top value will change. So when it reaches that expected value, it will automatically stop. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.